Hey guys.
So, Chuseok is coming up. It's a Korean festival where all of them go home. They go to their hometowns to meet their families. They have a get-together. It's similar to Thanksgiving. That's on Wednesday, I guess. And the following 3-4 days, we're going to have a long weekend. Rohit is going to have holidays. We are going to be going out that time. And that's why we decided to stay at home today. Today is Sunday. And since we are staying at home, we thought, okay, we'll make it a little fun by, trying to make some Korean dishes. So when I came here, I hardly knew how to cook anything. I just knew the basic stuff like, eggs, Maggi, or a cup of coffee. And even for Rohit, when he came here, he hardly knew anything. But now both of us are pretty decent cooks. And especially when it comes to veg food, he's a much better cook than me. So today we are going to be making Korean veg dishes, and that's why he's the one who's cooking. So let's go and try them. So let's ask Rohit, what is today's special?
Hey guys, so today we'll be making kimchi fried rice with seaweed, and along with that we'll be making a Korean pancake. This pancake is not like the traditional pancake you would think of, which is traditionally sweet and served with syrup and other things. This is more similar to the Indian chila, which is savory in taste. So let's go. So let's start by cutting the veggies here. So for this recipe, you can substitute many ingredients with each other. Like for this recipe, I have used carrot, chilies, onion and spring onion along with a little mushroom. You can either substitute carrot with sweet potato, you can substitute mushroom with broccoli, and likewise. We've just used what was there in the fridge currently. To make it more healthier, you can put more veggies. So in Korean, this is called yachae pajeon, which translates to vegetable pancake. Usually the most popular one that's served here is served with kimchi and some seafood. But since neither of us like that because it's mostly made with squid, we've tried to make the veg version today. Next, take half cup of all-purpose flour. Season with some salt and pepper. Put equal amount of water and make a consistent batter. We have to put this on the pan now. So spread out the batter evenly and make it as thin as possible. So once the pancake starts cooking, put the mushroom pieces on top. Wait for it to cook a little and flip the pancake. now we'll make a simple dipping sauce for this. Just made of 4 ingredients: soy sauce, vinegar, sesame seeds and chili flakes. Today for the kimchi fried rice, we'll be using ready-made store-bought kimchi. So since it's really popular here, like they sell the ready-made kimchi, which is actually really good and it saves you a lot of effort from making it yourself. Although having said that, the recipe is really simple.
So kimchi is nothing but pickled cabbage in a sweet and spicy sauce. And it's actually very easy to make this recipe. I'll put a link in the description.
So for the kimchi fried rice, we'll be seasoning it with seaweed. So as you can see here, I have got the seasoned seaweed already. So this is roasted seaweed with sesame oil and sesame seeds. So today for making the kimchi fried rice, we'll be using the ready-made rice that's available in Korea. So as you can see, you get different varieties. You get cooked plain white rice, you get 5-grain rice, which is made up of red rice, black rice, brown rice and some grains. So today we'll be using just simple plain white rice. This rice is a little different from the Indian rice that we have because this one is a bit sticky because it's actually the glutinous variety of rice. So for cooking this, you just have to open this till here as the instructions say and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So let's go. Normal canola oil, or you can substitute it with sunflower or vegetable oil. Along with that, you need to put very little of sesame oil. This is very strong, so make sure you put very little. Some garlic, spring onion, wait for it to sizzle a little. Throw in some very little seaweed. Move everything to the side and prepare for the rice to be dumped in. Season with a little pepper. So season with a little salt. And add in the little remaining kimchi juice, that's the liquid that is remaining from the kimchi. And the trick here is, in this type of fried rice, Korean fried rice, you want to layer the rice very flat on the pan and let it sizzle a little. So as you can see now, it's sizzling a little. Just make it high for 2 seconds. You can hear the crackling. Season generously with seaweed. Last thing is roasted sesame seeds.